Hi, Dr. Stern here. Today I'm going to share with you 4 great tips to help you get a great night's sleep. Today's topic is exercise. Now I recommend exercise to everybody. It has 4 amazing benefits. Number 1, it increases muscle mass. Number 2, it decreases body fat. Number 3, it supports a really healthy cardiovascular system. And number 4, it has been scientifically shown that when people exercise, it helps them get a great night's sleep. However, there is new research that shows that when people exercise at night, it increases a hormone called cortisol and decreases a hormone called melatonin. Now, to get a great night's sleep, you want your nighttime cortisol to be low and your melatonin to be high. So this reversal that exercise causes actually impairs your ability to get a great night's sleep. And that is what the new research has shown, that people who exercise at night actually do not get the quality of sleep as if they were exercising earlier in the daytime. So here are 4 things that you can do if you exercise at night to help you continue to get a great night's sleep. Number 1, the first thing I recommend is to take a hot-cold shower. Alternate between hot for 30 seconds and cold for 30 seconds for 5 rounds. This increases your parasympathetic activity, the part of the nervous system that relaxes your body. It will help lower cortisol levels and still help you to get a great night's sleep even though you're exercising in the evening time. Number 2 is meditation. What I recommend for meditation is to shut off all the lights, close your eyes, no cell phone, no TV, real quiet, and for about 10 to 20 minutes, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, and make sure that you're focusing on your breath. That meditation activity will relax your body, again, increase your parasympathetic nervous system, lower your cortisol, allow melatonin to rise, and allow you to fall and stay asleep and have a great night's sleep. Number 3, just deep breathing. So a lot of people out there get a little nervous with meditation, they have trouble doing it. If you just sit on your couch, sit in a comfortable chair, and just breathe deeply through your nose and out through your mouth for about 5 minutes, just that will stimulate your parasympathetic nervous activity, lower your cortisol, and facilitate a great night's sleep. And number 4, 2 amazing herbs that I recommend, magnolia and holy basil. You'll find them in my formula, Relax. Those 2 herbs really lower cortisol levels and again facilitate a great night's sleep. I recognize a lot of people out there with the hecticness of how they have to work during the day or a busy schedule during the day, don't have an opportunity to get to the gym earlier, and the only way they're going to get to exercise is in the evening time. I love exercise, keep doing it even if it's at night, but use these 4 tips to help lower that cortisol, boost your melatonin, and get a great night's sleep. I hope this helps on your journey to great health. I'll see you soon. Have an amazing day.